If you want to know how to zoom in ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to add our video on timeline. And what if we want to add the zoom in effect? Do we have the solution? Yes. So firstly, we need to click on our video on the timeline to make the green border appear. And after that, go to effects area in the right side menu, right up here. And then we need to click on zoom in effect. So we need to find it somewhere here. If we'll scroll down for a little, we'll be able to find the zoom in effect, slow zoom. So we need to click on it, and after that, as you can see, we can find a couple of settings. We can set position, where will zoom come in, speed of the zoom, and also will it be reversed. So it means that zoom in at the beginning and zoom out at the end. So after that, our video looks like this, and as you can see, we have a zoom inside of the video. If we'll click on reverse at the end of the video, we'll find the zoom out effect. And this is the easiest way of how can we add a zoom in effect. And also what can we do is that we can simply switch from slow zoom, we can change it to slow zoom random to view how does it look like. As you can see, it also zooms, but these zoom parameters are random, and as you can see, these black borders appear. So this is not that comfortable. As for me, it's better to use a slow zoom effect. So this is a way of how can we use zoom in ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.